So OneUI 8 beta program for Galaxy Watch is now live in the US. Update size is around 1.8 gigabytes. And once again it says OneUI 8. There will be no OneUI 7 for Galaxy Watch as Samsung is skipping it. There are many small changes with this update that we will discuss one by one. First up, we are now getting a new style for the apps menu. You can see that the recent apps toggle is at the top with these apps aligned perfectly in a line. Before that, we had this view. Also now we are getting list view for apps. This option has been there for a long time on Wear OS, but finally now it is also there on Galaxy Watch. Also now app drawer will show featured apps based on your usage. For example, if you use Notes app a lot on your Galaxy Watch, it will be shown right here. So no need to scroll all the way down to that app. But you can always turn this option off. And that's how recommended apps will be shown once you turn on this option. Next up, you can make custom tiles. For example, if you have this exercise tile, you can add step counter to that tile and even more. In this way, one tile can show a lot of different information like weather, calendar, and more. The quick settings panel also got a new layout. Just see the battery icon. It's a bit refined. Then we are getting now bar on Galaxy Watch. This option was already there on Galaxy Watch, but Samsung was calling it as ongoing icons, as you can see right here. Samsung is going to change it with now bar. There are a lot of options that you can try out with now bar. We are getting a new charging animation that matches with OneUI 7 charging animation, and notifications are also getting a new layout. Now they will be stacked if they are from the same app to save some space. Right now, this is how they look like on OneUI 6 for Galaxy Watch. Watch faces will be now recommended to you based on your usage, like colors, style, and information. You can also add some keywords related to watch faces, like colors, style, and more. After that, Galaxy Watch will show you those suggested watch faces. Notifications are also getting smarter. For example, if you are using your phone, they will not be shown on your watch. And if phone is not in your use, they will be shown both on your phone and watch. Also, here is a new layout for this setting. Samsung has also added more double pin gestures, like now you can take pictures and a lot more. Further, you can mark reminders as important. Also, you can set location based reminders. So that's all about One UI 8 Beta 1 for Galaxy Watch. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about it? This update will be available to public soon, after the launch of Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic. And that was all about for today's episode. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.